Best home-based business ideas to start in 2025. Work from home and earn big. Are you looking to start a business from home in 2025? Here are 8 of the best home-based business ideas that are low-cost, beginner-friendly, and have high income potential. AI-powered services use the latest AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney to help businesses automate tasks, create content, or improve customer service. You can also offer training or set up services for small companies exploring AI. Why it works. AI is booming in 2025 and businesses need help adapting. Niche e-commerce store. Start an online store selling products in a specific niche. Whether it's eco-friendly goods, pet items, or fitness gear, niche markets help you stand out. Tip: use dropshipping, print-on-demand, or Amazon FBA to start without holding inventory. Freelance digital services. If you have a skill like graphic design, video editing, writing, or digital marketing, you can start offering it online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are great for finding clients. Specialize in one area to charge more and grow faster. Online coaching or courses. Turn your expertise into income by teaching online. You can offer one-on-one coaching or create courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Popular topics: fitness, finance, career coaching, languages, and tech skills. Affiliate marketing and content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or social media page where you review products or share valuable tips. Earn money when people buy through your affiliate links. Hot niches: tech, beauty, home gadgets, personal finance, and productivity. Subscription box business: create and sell curated monthly boxes. You can focus on hobbies, self-care, snacks, or kids' toys. Use services like Cratejoy to reach customers easily. Why it works. Virtual assistant services. Help busy entrepreneurs and online businesses with tasks like email management, data entry, scheduling, or customer service, all from home. Bonus: you don't need a degree or prior experience to start. Print-on-demand and digital products. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, planners, or Canva templates. Use platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Etsy for fulfillment or instant downloads. Why it works. In 2025, the opportunities to work from home and build a successful business are better than ever. Start with what you're passionate about, stay consistent, and watch your income grow.